Hey everyone, it's Jared of Heat Press Nation. Have you ever had a special project that you wanted to stand out and felt that maybe standard heat transfer vinyl wasn't going to do the trick? Perhaps you wanted to make it shine with some metallic HTV. Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to prepare and cut multiple layers of Siser EasyWeed Electric to create a tote bag design that will stand out head and shoulders above the rest. So stick around as we'll customize this. If you enjoyed this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Let's get started. Tote bags are a great item to personalize for yourself, friends and family, and of course your clients and customers. Not only do they make great customized gifts, but they provide a perfect opportunity to have customers advertise a brand while they're out and about on any given day. But maybe standard materials won't cut it for your truly unique tote bag. While you're free to use any kind of special HTV to deck out your bag, there's nothing quite like the unique metallic finish of materials like Siser EasyWeed Electric. With this special vinyl, it's possible to create an eye-catching, multicolored tote bag that's impossible to lose in a crowd. And as it's an EasyWeed product, Electric is just as easy to prepare and apply as the rest of the EasyWeed family. For this video, we'll be demonstrating how to make a 3-layer cut design with EasyWeed Electric. One layer will serve as the bright background based on the shapes of the front 2 layers, which will respectively consist of the design's main shapes and accents. While we'll be showing how to do this with the Silhouette Cameo Cutter using Silhouette Studio software, many of these principles will still apply regardless of your design software. We'll first need to measure the size of our tote bag. You can either do this physically with a ruler or refer to the dimensions listed by the manufacturer. Once you've measured the bag, you can create and fit the elements of your design within its size. We'll first load in and prepare our main shapes and accents, grouping them together once finished. And by leaving the grouped elements selected, we can use our cutting software's offset tools to create our background shape. On Silhouette Studio, open the offset panel and scale the distance to your preference, but enough to where all of the outlines overlap. Simply click Apply once you're satisfied, and you've now created the background layer. You may ungroup the main front layers and regroup them into their own sets, which should help if you're using different colors for each layer. Now that all the layers are ready to cut, draw or enable a weed box around your design and prepare to send it to your cutter. To find the recommended cut and application settings for your machines, you can refer to Siser's EasyWeed Electric webpage at siserna.com. But as you cut the vinyl with the Silhouette Cameo Cutter, you'll want to set the following: material to heat transfer smooth, blade depth to 3, force to 6, and speed to 8. Before proceeding to cut, we recommend completing a test cut to ensure your cut settings are appropriate. When cutting multi-layer designs, be sure to set the software to cut only the shapes of a specific layer. Once ready, load your vinyl layer onto your cutter, then click Send and send mirrored to start cutting. With all the layers cut, you'll want to trim and weed them out. You're now ready to apply them onto the tote bag. Turn on your heat press and set it to 10 seconds at 305 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Once your machine reaches temperature, place your tote bag on the lower platen and pre-press it for about 3 seconds to eliminate any wrinkles and moisture. Afterwards, you may place the background layer on your tote bag, cover it with a protective sheet, and press it for 5 seconds. As a brief note, if you're unable to fully flatten your tote bag, you may need to press it with a pressing pillow either below or inside of it. If your transfer happens to be peeling a bit, this is due to insufficient pressure. If it hasn't completely peeled, you can recover it by simply flattening it out, then proceeding to repress the bag with a pillow inside. As you do so, be sure that your pressure has been adjusted to not flatten out the pillow. After the first 5 seconds, open your machine and peel your EasyWeed Electric layer while it's hot or cold. You may allow the transfer to cool down for a moment, but then continue to press your next few layers with these same steps. Though when you're applying the final layer, you'll want to press it for the full 10 seconds. After doing so, you may peel the layer hot or cold, and this tote bag now shines with the dazzling look of Siser EasyWeed Electric. But if you'd also like to customize the back of the bag, allow it to completely cool down afterwards, and then you may follow these exact same steps. If you'd like to share your cool tote bag designs with us, along with a growing community of heat transfer enthusiasts, feel free to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about Siser's special heat transfer vinyl and other materials, be sure to visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, get in touch with the My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.